Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. This is SunsetDroneGh. Thank you for always watching our videos. Lovely people, we are so much pleased to have you around, always watching our videos. Today we are coming to you from Atinga Junction. I hope you know this famous and famously named junction, which can be found in Kumasi, just after Ahodwo. You go to Atinga Junction. Today we are bringing you this video from Atinga Junction. This is an amazing area where you can find beautiful and nice buildings. As I said, everywhere we go, everywhere we step, we want to give you quality and nice videos of such areas, so that each time you visit such areas or anytime you are there, you know where you are, so that you will not get or you will not find yourself wanting. Today it is Atinga Junction. It's a very famous place in Kumasi. That's on the Sokoban Road, Sokoban and Peyo, and just after Ahodwo, you get to Atinga Junction. You find a lot of businesses around. You find even there's sand trucks parked all over the junction. It's a very nice place, and this is one of the areas when I get to Kumasi, always I marvel, because you just see people coming from all the four junctions at the main Atinga Junction. Then each one is not ready to give in for the brother to go, or for the other person to go through. One will come from the left, one from the right, one from everywhere, every corner, the north, east, west, and south. Everyone wants to enter into the junction and pass through. There is no understanding over there. So whenever I get here, I always laugh, because when you are driving, you just get into the middle and you see someone also come in front of you. They don't want you to go. If you go there, you will experience what I'm talking about. Atinga Junction, that's where you are seeing your shots right now. We have a lot of beautiful buildings, as you can see in the shots right now. There are hotels all around. If you are coming from Ahodwo roundabout, on your right, you enter into that junction, part of the junction, you will see a lot of nice buildings, 9-story buildings for hotels, and we have nice places for massage. It's a very nice place, Atinga Junction. If you get there, you will love the place, as you can see from the shots. When you are coming from Kumasi, that's from Ahodwo roundabout, when you head straight, when you get to the junction, if you get straight forward, you will get to Daban. From Daban, you go to Sokoban, then you go to Ampeyo, and the towns continue like that. So that on your right too, that's where you have a lot of businesses. That place too will take you straight up to Santase roundabout, and then on your left too, it will take you Asokwa overhead. That's if you pass through to from the Asokwa overhead straight up, you go up to the Kumasi City Mall. If you decide to take the main route to Ajum, please sit back, watch and enjoy this amazing video, these amazing views that we are showing you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of the Sunset family. After that, please wait for some few minutes. You see a notification bell, click on it, so that each time we post our videos, you will be given an alert, so that you know that we have done that upload, so that you can watch the videos. Please enjoy the video, and don't forget to add up your comments if you have seen anything, or like you know something about what I'm talking about at Atinga Junction. Please, you can also share with us if there is any story behind the reasons that the junction was called Atinga Junction. Please, you can also share it with us in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please, I wish you become so interactive with us on the channel Sunset Drone.